1 para sa ating first quarter. Paso Abby Puyos. Abby Puyos with a speed move, with a pull up. Yes sir, and 2 points from Abby Puyos. Denzel Pinson inside, mabibitawan ng bola. Pass replay para ito kay James Payosing. James Payosing with the pull up and 2 points. 5 to shoot. Pinson pull up, then no good. Abby Puyos for the rebound. And a pass replay for Elliot Di Maculangan off the glass and 2 points from Elliot Di Maculangan. Elliot Di Maculangan for the rebound. Elliot take a 3. Yes sir, and 3 points from Elliot Di Maculangan. Out of 10 seconds on the shot clock. Kick also, pull-up jumper using the board, no good. Abby Puyos for the rebound. Pass to James Payosing. Wide open for 2, yes sir, and 2 points para dito kay James Payosing. Pass to RB Puyos. BJ Pre. With a step back. Yes sir. And 2 points from BJ Pre. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to BJ Pre. Pull up for 3. Yes sir. And 3 points from BJ Pre. Elliot looking for his teammate. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Ranger Maga inside. Drop pass from Palanca. Pull up and that is good. And 2 points from Troy Palanca. Ranger Maga. Ranger Maga looking for his teammate. Pass to Elliot Di Maculangan. Take a 3. Yes sir. A 3-point shot from Elliot Di Maculangan. Abby Puyos with a pull-up jumper. That is good. Jay Payosing with a check. Pass to Russell Ogana inside. And there's a call. And basket na yan para dito. Russell Ogana. Russell Ogana to BJ Pre. Wide open for 3. Yes sir. Troy Palanca. Drop pass from Elliot Di Maculangan. Elliot to Rainier Maga. Sa ilalim to LA Andres. And a basket count from LA Andres. 10 seconds left para sa ating third quarter. 3-point lead from CEU. Elliot Di Maculangan setting the play from his teammate. Elliot to Troy Palanca. Fires. Yes sir. Tie at 0:53. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Joshua Cornell for the inbound. To Elliot Di Maculangan. Take a 3. Yes sir. Down by 2 ang kalabangan dito ng CEU Scorpions. To James Payosing. To Elliot Di Maculangan with a floater. And 2 points from Elliot Di Maculangan. To Elliot Di Maculangan. Elliot fires. Yes sir! With a big bang 3 points para dito kay Elliot Di Maculangan. And a 4-point lead from UP Fighting Maroons. Step remaining. A 4-point lead from UP Fighting Maroons. Another steal from James Payosing. And no good. Miko Nambi for the rebound. Pass to JM Villanueva. With a spin. Another steal from Russell Ogana. Left to Elliot Di Maculangan. Elliot. In feint, no good. Another steal. Makukuha dito ni James Payosing to Russell Logana. Ten seconds left. Jem Villanueva take a three, no good. James Payosing with a power rebound. And that's the end of our game. University of the Philippines wins